Well, welcome everyone. My name is Collie Butler, and I hope you are ready to have your best day yet. I want to thank all of you for your time. I do understand that time is investment. You only have so much, and once you give it, you've given it. So we really appreciate the few minutes that you're investing here tonight to take a look at the Zango business opportunity. Let me talk a little bit about the company first. We just actually celebrated our 13th birthday at an international convention in Las Vegas. It was very exciting, but just some of the facts for those of you who look at this for the very first time. Zango started in 2002 with one product. It was a juice, the Zango juice, made from the whole fruit puree of the mangosteen fruit. The fruit came from South. It had been literally unheard of in the Western Hemisphere, yet this single fruit, this single botanical, had more health benefits documented than any other botanical that had ever been discovered. There was some science, there was some research, there was thousands of years of folklore behind it. When I first heard it, I knew it was a sexy product, and I said, wow, this product works, we're going to make millions. Folks, the product worked. Millions of people have used the Zango juice. There are testimonials that abound everywhere from all kinds of amazing health benefits that people have experienced. And over the years, we actually did $1 billion worth of sales with this one single product in the first 5 years. Did $2 billion at 8 years. You know, that $1 billion cumulative sales mark, that was faster than many companies doing billions of dollars a year in sales today, such as Dell and Apple, Starbucks, Nike, Microsoft, Walmart, and so many others. Now, we've done a lot of amazing things. We've broken all kinds of records. Zango is one of less than 60 companies that ever even made it to their 10th birthday, out of hundreds of thousands of companies that have come and gone over the years. Now, most of those companies never even saw their first birthday, their first tax return, but many of them did make it past that year, 2 years, 3 years, but 10 years, less than 60 companies have done that. Zango was the fastest company to ever do $100 million a year in sales, fastest company to do $250 million a year in sales, and we're talking only 36 companies that have ever done that. Now, there's only 12 companies that have done $1 billion a year in annual sales, and out of those companies, the current record holder did it in 18 years. And folks, we are on track to meet and beat that goal as well. And today we operate in over 43 nations. By our 11th birthday, we got a patent on our Zango juice, wiping out 8 competitors, and we have launched multiple product lines. So let's just talk about this. We have multiple product lines, many category creative products that we have launched in multiple nations, actually over 40 nations that we do business in today. Let's just talk about the last couple of years. Last couple of years, we launched a product called Limitless, which was a natural, healthy alternative to energy drinks, and so much more than physical energy. It actually gives you mental clarity and focus. And the largest demographic of this energy drink market are our millennials, or our under 30 generation. As they were using these bad products that were out there and becoming educated that there was safe, healthy alternative, they started to drink the Zango Limitless product and share it with their friends. And as a result, started a movement called MB30. Now, that stands for Millionaire by 30, Mentoring by 30, Becoming, having $1 million mindset is what this generation is doing, and sharing with other people. See, unlike Monster and Red Bull and all those, Zango will pay you to drink and share their products. And unlike some products out there, we have only 4 calories and less than a gram of sugar. And we'll just compare that to, for example, a can of Monster. The most common size sold is a 32 ounce. It's actually got 4 servings in it. But if you read the label, it'll just say 100 calories. But then it says per serving, 4 servings per can. That's 400, but worse, over 100 grams of sugar. And folks, excessive sugar consumption is an epidemic here in America and all over the globe, as people are having problems with obesity and diabetes and all kinds of things because of sugar addiction and excessive sugar consumption. We have something healthier. See, Zango finds solutions to problems, and if you simply educate and share these solutions with others, you can build a business. Since then, we launched a couple of other products, a product called Ignite and another one called Reload. Ignite was originally developed as a pre-workout product. It's a vasodilator, which is great for a pre-workout, but also good in the morning. Gets the heart pumping, the blood flowing, very cardiovascular health. And Reload, a post-workout product that rebuilds muscles, hydrates cells, but also a fantastic anti-aging product. Because beginning 30 years old on, we lose muscle mass every single month. So again, we have solutions. We market all 3 of these products called the Best Day Yet, and we invite you to try that. In the morning, to ignite, get the blood pumping, and the Limitless when you have that, and in the afternoon when you start to feel a little sluggish and you take that Limitless and you get yourself a little pick-me-up. And at night when you take the Reload right before bed, you will wake up the next day feeling like you not only had the best day yet, but you had the best night's sleep. And you can build a business with these. We have packs that have these 3 products in them, either just the 3 products, or for some of us that are a little bit older, we like to have our products and our Zango Juice and our Zalo Ageless, a phenomenal anti-aging product line that was launched just 2 years ago. And with that is a whole system, the Power of 3. We'll teach you the steps. We'll teach you how to hand out samples and how to follow up. And when you do that and you plug into this, every Thursday night, tonight, following this webinar, will be a Power of 3 weekly webinar training. We'll take you through the steps and teach you about the products, and we'll teach you about the plan. We'll teach you about the compensation plan. We'll teach you what you need to learn to be successful. But now we just launched the next big category-creating product line in Zango, and I believe the next billion-dollar brand, and that is the Zango Eris line. The Eris line is a cosmeceutical anti-aging line of products, and we're very excited about it because it comes with a marine collagen. This collagen helps promote healthy skin, hair, joints, and bones, and many people are experiencing some tremendous benefits. People that had unhealthy joints and that are now finding relief because of this marine collagen, not to mention what it does for our skin. And an instant eye gel that's like an instant facelift. You know, other products that are out there on the market that produce similar results are much, much more expensive and have harsh and toxic chemicals in them. Do more harm than good the longer you use it. With our product, you get the instant results, but the longer, the healthier your skin becomes. And this cosmeceutical means it actually begins to heal and has medicinal type benefits for the skin. And this eye renewal concentrate, wherever you put this product, not only do you end up moisturizing the skin and healing it, but it signals the collagen to come and build there. And it's a very, very exciting product line. So what can you expect? Well, just from the products, to notice visible results with fine lines and wrinkles, under eye bags and deep wrinkles, dark circles and discoloration, dull, uneven skin texture, dryness. And if you do the business and you share with other people as well, you can experience financial rewards. The product pricing, you can purchase these products individually, or you can purchase them in a pack. And if you purchase them in a pack, you're going to save a significant amount of money. Now, if you were to go out to the competition and try to find some products that would produce these same kind of results, you're going to spend $350 to $500. You're going to get toxic products. You're going to get products that might give you some short-term gain and some long-term potential harm. And you're also going to experience spending a whole lot more money. We can buy these products individually for $190 retail, or in the package for $175. Or if you become a wholesale customer or a distributor, you can purchase the pack for just $135. And that includes free shipping and handling. So let's look at the business aspect of it. 3 ways to come in. The Fast Pack, the Fast Track, a 2-system pack is just $249.99. And that includes 2 systems. Includes shipping and handling. You could use one for yourself, and the other one you could use for your spouse. I know if you're married, your spouse is going to want to try the products too. If not, it could be a test kit, or you could retail it. If you were to retail that second kit, that would be like getting your product for just $75. A faster way to build a business is with our 5-pack system. It's just $615.99. The 5 systems include the shipping and handling. You can use one personally. Second one you could use for your spouse if you have one, or a test kit. Doing the business, people are going to want to try the product. Or you could retail it in addition to the other 3 systems. If you were to retail 3 systems, it end up giving you your 2 systems for a net cost of just $91. If you retail all 4, you actually get your 1 system plus $85 profit in your pocket immediately. But the very best way, the fastest way to build this business is with our 10-pack system. It's just $1,199. 10 systems include the shipping and handling. You could use one personally, one for a spouse, or retail it, or for a test kit. But we recommend that you will retail 4 systems and give away 4 systems. So 4 to retail, that's immediate profit in your pocket. 4 to give away. Why would I give away product? Well, for anybody who comes in with a 10-system pack, there is a commission that gets paid on that to the sponsor of the new distributor or new customer. And we'd like to invest that commission back to you and give you a gift for coming in that way and for to come in a way that would help you build a successful business. So that means you could actually get 11 systems for just $11.99. That's like $109 a system. So now we are really in, we can make some really good money when we're retailing. And let's just look at it. Every system you retail, it's $175 you're going to put in your, and every person who comes in with the 10 give away a system, but you're also going to get a 25% Power Start bonus on that 10-pack, which is $250 per person. That's $1,000 if 4 people come in that way. That is $1,700 in your pocket. By the way, that 25% gets paid next week. That retail bonus you put in your pocket immediately. So within your first 30 days, by following the fast track, you could have 3 systems for free, including the one that was given to you as a gift, $500 profit in your pocket, and have reached a title called 5K in our compensation plan. I'll explain what that means in just a moment. But 5K, we could hit 5K. We duplicate that with our 4 people who just came in, and we help them do the very same thing that we get to 20K in our second month. We help those people duplicate the same thing again, and we could become a premier in 90 days. Now, the average income of a premier is about 5 figures a month. Now, I say average because that includes the premiers that just barely hit it, as well as the ones that are on their way to the next level. So the average premier might be there. You're not going to be the average premier yet, but you're on your way to an amazing life. And we have a lot of amazing systems and tools that will help you be successful, like MyZango Builder. This is something that you can purchase from Zango. You can get your first month free to check it out. And then you can decide if you want to pay $15 a month, have taken right out of your account for this, or you could buy it by the year for just $20. And in here is a full contact manager that will allow you to send presentations that have already been custom built for you or create your own. We have a whole presentation library filled with videos and PDFs and images, and we have a whole library of social media posts ready for you to share right now. Or again, you can create and share your own. You can share images, you can share the videos, you can send text. And in here also comes with a tax deductor. This is a program by itself. If you were to buy the tax deductor by itself, costs as much or more as the entire MyZango Builder system. In here it comes with some phone apps. So we've got a couple of smartphone apps, one of them that works with iOS as well as Android, one of them MyZango Builder, which will give you full access to everything that you have, the videos to share your contact manager, all that on the phone, as well as the Zango AMP app, which myself, the company who developed this, and we're exclusive in the network marketing industry, has designed these for many Fortune 500 companies, including NASA, where they give you bite-sized training information. So every day you will get a text or an email from the AMP app letting you look at another video that will take you through another step of your journey to become successful, each one being just a couple of minutes long, as well as some wonderful videos that you can share, including when you're working the best day yet. There are videos that you can share. You can put somebody in your app and you can send them a text reminder to take Limitless, to take Ignite, to take Reload, to have their best day yet. Amazing tools. We also have 4 individual replicate websites that come with MyZango Builder. One of them, I Am Zango, which will allow you to share any of the Zango products. MyMB30 lets you promote and market just that Zalo Pro line and the best day yet. MyZalo Ageless, just for this incredible anti-aging product, and MyZango Eris that will let you launch a business by marketing just these 3 products to customers and prospective business partners. When the person goes to your Eris site, they can just simply click Buy Now. It's a very simple, easy shopping system. They could pay the retail price, the $175, and then you would get the $40 retail bonus plus your other commissions. Or they could join and become a wholesale customer, a preferred customer on our automatic delivery program, or a distributor and get it for just that $135 price. Now, the model of distribution is network marketing. Network marketing is the #1 way to market goods and services because people trust the recommendation from a friend over a radio or television ad or a billboard or some other form of advertising. And companies will pay 50% of their advertising dollars or 50% of their budget advertising, and Zango does the same thing, but they pay those commissions in the form of word of mouth referral bonuses to distributors like you and I for simply using and sharing these products with others. Now, we have a lot of amazing bonuses in our compensation plan, and we've got entire compensation plan trainings that will tell you all about it. We have global bonus pools, customer bonus pools, regular volume bonus pools. We have a lifestyle bonus to let you drive your own dream. We have rank advancement bonuses, a couple $100,000 potentially of extra dollars to pay you to promote through the ranks, in addition to building a significant 4, 5, or even 6-figure monthly income. And all we do to develop that is we work with teams. We're looking for teams of people, and we help them build volume. All volume is products that are purchased. Every product that's purchased by Zango is paid for in that country resident's current local currency. To point. And from there, it's reconverted back to your currency for commissions. When you become a Zango distributor, you are entitled to sponsor any customer or any distributor in any of the 43 nations that we are currently doing business in. You do not have to reach a qualification level yet, and you do not have to pay any extra money. It's just an automatic, seamless, global plan. And share the products and the opportunity with others. Some will be distributors. Some will be customers. We actually even reward our customers with a Nothing Beats Free program where if they refer 3 or more other customers, they can get Zango products each month for free. But if they decide to be distributors and share the opportunity as well as the products, then you can also build some significant income. So as we build and we continue to work with, help them build teams of their own, we produce volume, and then we begin to promote through the Zango compensation plan. We have some wonderful statistics with our pay plan. More than 140 families have earned $1 million in commissions in their Zango career. But what's even more exciting about that, because you know, folks, there's always, every company's got some top income earners, but Zango has produced more $1 million earners in their career than any other company in the first 10 years by more than 5 times the second closest company. We have a lot of people making money, not just a few. There are some other companies out there that have bigger #1 checks, but I guarantee you, if you look at the top 100 checks or the top 1,000 checks, Zango will beat all the competition hands down, because we've helped over 170,000 people earn more than $1,000 in a month, and more than 250,000 people earn more than $500 in a month. We have an incredible compensation plan that by simply building teams you can promote. 3 teams will get you all the way to a position called Premier that gives you the full depth of our compensation plan, 9 full levels of pay. 5 teams will get you all the way to a position called 500K Premier, where the average income is about 6 figures a month. So wrap your brain around that for a minute, and it's 3 to 5 teams. 3 to 5 teams to help build eventually a 5 or even potentially 6-figure monthly income. How does this work? We simply get paid on our referrals. We get paid 2% on all of our personally sponsored first-level distributors. These are the people that I personally sponsor. And then as they sponsor others, who sponsor others, who sponsor others, I get paid 5% on all the volume down through 9 levels. So what does this mean? As a 1K, I'm going to actually get 4 levels of this pay. As a 5K, I'm going to get 5 levels. As a 20K, I'm going to get 7 levels. As a Premier, I'm going to get 9. What do these numbers mean? Well, this is just an example. It is not a guarantee of what you will earn, but the potential of what could happen. If you got 3 people who got 3 people who got 3 people who got 3 people, and everybody ordered just 100 points worth of product every month, which one Zango Eris pack would cover, or one Zalo Pro line would cover, this is what could potentially happen. You would end up with an excess of 29,000 people in this 9-level organization. And as everybody's just doing 100 a month, see, we get paid a little on a lot of people. J. Paul Getty that said, I'd rather earn 1% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of my own. And so we're earning a little bit on a lot of people. And as that 5K who can get 5 levels, if this person had this organization and was a 5K, there'd be $1,806 a month in commissions, just residual on just these distributors. This doesn't include the customer bonuses. It doesn't include a lifestyle bonus, which this person would be qualified for. It doesn't include a lot of other bonuses. It's just the residual on distributor reorders. 20K, 7 levels, that's over $16,000 a month. The Premier, 9 levels, that's over $147,000. Now that is the kind of income that our 500Ks are earning, but you will see the potential there of just developing this kind of an organization. Folks, there's a lot of amazing bonuses and an amazing life that you can have, especially now with the launch of this new Zango Eris line. This product line, when I first heard it, I thought, oh my gosh, it's a baby boomer's dream come true. And some of these ingredients that are in here, we have clinical trials that have been done on our actual product formula. We have before and after pictures that will blow you away. People get visibly noticeable results in days. More than 50% of people within days notice dramatic, visibly noticeable results. Over 80% of people within weeks, and 98% of people who use this product line for 3 months or more have dramatic, visibly noticeable results. This is a product line that people are going to try. We have a 30-day money-back unconditional guarantee with our product line. You can try this product, and if day 29 you don't think it worked for you, you don't even have to return the product. You just call the company, let them know, they will refund your card. There is absolutely no risk here. You have everything potentially to gain. Twice a year, Zango rewards new distributors and leaders. It doesn't matter what your rank is. Twice a year, we have some amazing trip. The next one is going to be at the Now Sapphire Resort in Riviera, Cancun in February of 2016. And you qualify to earn a spot on these trips by simply sponsoring new customers and new distributors. The more you sponsor, the more points you get. The bigger their order, the more points you get. And they pay you for what they order the first month, the second month, and the third month, because if you can get somebody in and to try the products for 90 days, if you will make a 90-day commitment, if you will use these products and you will share them with others for 90 days and plug into our weekly training and the power of 3, you're going to find out you won't be able to help but build yourself a business that will start to create residual income that could turn into something as big as you want it to be. There's still time to get a spot on the next trip in February 2016 in the Now Sapphire Riviera, Cancun. And there's certainly time to be on the next one and the next one and the next one. Folks, I've traveled the world with this company, so have hundreds of others. And now they open the doors to these trips to you. A brand new distributor starting today could be with us in the Riviera, Cancun in February of 2016. So I hope you take a serious look at this business. I hope you get back to the person who invited you here. Get some additional information on the products. Try the products. See for yourself. Get a compensation plan training video. We do those. Join us on the next webinar that's going to be taking place at the top of the hour. The information to join that is at zango.com. Just the WWT Weekly Webinar Training. There is a link there. Click on it and register because we are about to go into our weekly webinar training. And if you plug into that for the next 4 weeks and you plug into these webinars with brand new guests, you try the products, you share them with others, you give samples, I promise you this, you will get results. And the bigger commitment, the more you share, the bigger your results will be. So thank you so much again for your time. You know, folks, the goal really isn't more money. The goal is living life on your own terms. I hope you choose to live life on your own terms because there is an amazing, wonderful world waiting for you with Zango. Thank you so much for your time.